What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Stumble Guys.
Again, because that's some stupid main games.
What? What?
Or
You're mad because it's my main game?
you uploaded something on this yesterday.
Oh wait, it does not exist. 4,
548. 4548.
6.
6. Okay, there.
Sorry if it is a little glitchy. Okay. So, remember that last time I uploaded that video and I got qualified last second.
Yes, you did.
Now, that one was a miracle. Literally a miracle.
I guess this is okay, so please.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just letting bots do it.
Yeah, that's what I do. You know, I changed my skin. You made it. You made it. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Everyone's disqualified now. Go!
Come on, Brockton.
Oh no. Oh, he made it! Snowy boy! The snowy boy. Oh, there's 2 snowy boys. No, there were 3 snowy boys. Now there's only 2 snowy boys.
I guess. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Miley Senpai.
Everywhere that he goes, I'll be there. He won't know.
Stop it now, stop it. I'm making a video and you singing. I'm a pro at this, so I shouldn't die.
Did I just get hit double time?
Ooh, try to get me bumped.
I'm right next to you. I literally see you. I'm literally right behind you. Whoa, I almost died. Oh no.
There's 2 generals.
Okay, I made it.
You're making it.
Well, I made it before you.
No, I'm gonna that white lady. This is disrespect. But I
That
have
white lady, I saw her. She fell down last. So
Bruh.
there's only 2 of us now. Okay, 8 remaining. Okay, so someone's gonna get eliminated this round.
Yes, and it's gonna be you. You're gonna be eliminated.
Or only one's gonna make it.
Yeah. No, this is the one that I did last second on.
This one is the one.
I can redeem myself.
Super notice me. This is the last one that I love. Even though I thought it was almost like the last one, I was pretty much the last one to die. Okay, one person was eliminated. Okay, double stack, double stack, double stack, double stack, double stacks, double stacks.
Super notice me.
Double stacks,
Oh,
double stacks,
yes.
double stacks, double stacks. Double stacks, double stacks, double stacks, double stacks. Oh my god.
One is red, but it was red. Can you do that?
You were eliminated?
Yes.
I'm alive. Eliminate you fools.
You qualified! Last second. Same one as me. That means you win. You That was only pure luck. Reconnect. We're gonna reconnect.
Bruh. Oh my god, I got one trophy!
Reconnecting to party boy. Oh, I'm
This
the.
is so cool. Like, I won that one. Welcome to our open beta.
Or something. It's because I was on multiverse.
Oh, sorry. Checking for EULA update.
Bruh, let's. Hurry up and pick a map. Oh, there it is. I don't like this one.
Paint splash. I love this one.
I don't like this one.
This one is so cool. I love paint splash. Paint splash. Even though I might die first time. Even though I might die first time.
Good emos. Good bodies emos. Good emos. Good feet the poomos. Eels. What? You could do that? Freedom. Let me do it for you. 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 Bro, let me do it for you. You're gonna just whatever, get eliminated then. I'll be spectating you. You cannot leave. You cannot leave. If you leave, you're not making one more YouTube video. Okay, you're not making no more YouTube videos.
Hey! What? They can hear that.
I don't care. They can hear you get humiliated.
I said delete that.
No, you're not.
What?
Not my fault. You should have never left.
I'm gonna delete it.
Isaac Torsos.
There's nothing fun to do.
Yeah. Get eliminated.
Ooh, comment or better.
Comment or better. Yo.
Am I gonna get a legendary? Oh my god. I got Snowy Boy! I got Snowy Boy!
I already have Snowy Boy.
I equipped Snowy Boy. I got Snowy Boy!
I'm gonna go.
Free prize. Ooh, comment or better. Let's get a skin.
Yes.
No!
Senpai, no, it's me.
Somebody's my future.
You didn't see anything what I got.
I'm about to.
I could get just a common skin. Want me to get a common skin? It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. Whoa.
I got Snowy Boy. There he is, my one and only mine. You got a comment. You got
Sailor Scene.
his bold.
Okay, guys. Let's go back to a party. I'll create one.
So they're gonna just. That's going to the actual game. The live game.
Come on, join the...
Oh my god. Skin, not a girl skin. Robert, and not the one too. Nurse Joy.
But I got Nurse Annie. Really? That's it for the video now.